Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can install Roblox on your iPad. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search feature and look for Roblox. Once your search results appear, select Roblox, then tap on Get. Double-click on the side button to install the app, and then use your Face ID to confirm. Then just wait for it to be installed onto your device. Once it's been installed, you can now tap on Open to launch the app. Then you can sign in with your Roblox account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.